Hi guys, it's Kierra. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm always getting questions on how I do my makeup and how I do this. So here it is, guys. Here's a video on my everyday drugstore look. If you want to see how I get this look, keep watching. So I'm just gonna throw this out here. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it out. I am no pro. I'm just a regular chick who likes to play with her look and change things up. So right now I'm going to prime my face with the Black Radiance HD primer.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
So I'm gonna take my Covergirl Trublend foundation in D40 with my damp beauty blender and blend that sucker in. Now the camera's picking up this shade like super light. It's not light, guys. I don't know if it's just the sunlight that's doing that, but in real life it is my shade. And usually in the summer months, in the fall, I'm more so of a D50, but right now I'm a D40.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss.
So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut and go underneath the eyes just to help cover up the dark circles or any bags, you know, from not getting any sleep. So yeah. So I'm gonna go over some of the other dark areas where I have any marks, only because I wanted a little bit more coverage. So I'm gonna take the same concealer but in a different shade. This is Fawn, and just highlight.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
So guys, I really did not know that this concealer was so bright, but it got the job done. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline concealer just to brighten my face a little bit more. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder.
Tell me, do you think I'm being sentimental? 'Cause all this time I've been trying to work out what it was. Draw me close to you, wish I could feel it now. Baby, I'm gonna help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time for you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right, you think I'm wrong.
It's contouring time, so I'm gonna use my Black Radiance color thing, whatever this thing is, in the color Ebony, and I'm gonna lightly contour my nose. Now right now it looks like I went overboard. It looks like that, but that's an illusion. Okay, that's what the camera is picking up. In real life it does not look like that. It looks natural, and that's the look I'm going for. Now I'm gonna set my whole face with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. So I'm going to use the Milani Bold Obsessions palette and use the brown shade just to go in the crease area, just to create some dimension with my eyes.
Wish I could feel it now. Baby, I'm not the one to help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time from you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right.
So for the lid color, I'm going to go in with Almy. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. I am so sorry. And I'm just going to use that brown shade that I hit pan with. It's a very light, natural shade. And I'm just going for a natural look. Guys, let's just take a moment. Let's just take a moment for this highlight. This stuff, man. This is the Artist Couture and the JackieAina collab. And sis outdid herself with this. Like, I love this highlight. This is the LaBronze highlight, and it's so pretty. It looks so good on darker skin tones, and it's a rose gold highlight, and it looks just amazing. I love this stuff. So I'm gonna put that on the inner corners and on the bridge of my nose and pretty much everywhere. I just want to bathe in this stuff because it's so good.
There, and you just keep on taking me back.
Hey, I get so excited for this highlight, guys. I love it. Do you guys see that brow bone? Do you see it? I mean, just look at it. I just keep piling it on because, I mean, come on. You can never have too much highlight. Well, actually you can, but not in this case. Not in this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now with the Loréal Infallible setting spray, I'm just gonna set my face.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Time for lashes, guys. So I'm gonna apply those bad boys off camera. Because I'm totally not good with applying lashes. I'm decent. I mean, like, I can get away with applying lashes, but I mean, I'm no pro. So right here, I'm just going to use this NYX eyeliner and just do the corners of my eyes. So I actually like to moisturize my lips before I put any lip products on there that is considered, I guess, drying or matte. So I'm going to use my Carmex, slap that on, and I'm going to use MAC lip liner in Chestnut to line my lips.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, OMG, I love this lipstick, this liquid lipstick. It's by Color Me, and it's a new black-owned business, and oh my gosh, I've been rocking this thing ever since I bought this, and this was like weeks ago. I love this color. It looks so flattering on my skin tone. It's a very nice, subtle nude, and it just looks so pretty. So pretty, guys. I'm going to be doing a detailed review later on. Very soon. And this is the final look, guys. This was a very easy, simple, everyday, natural look that was, of course, achieved with drugstore products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and people. Oh, and also hit that notification bell just so you'll stay in tune with all my new uploads, okay? Until next time, guys. Bye.